Hey there, Instagram lovers! Get ready for a game changer. Imagine being able to download any Insta content with just a few simple taps. Sounds too good to be true, right? Here's how it works. Copy the link of the Instagram content you want to download. Open Telegram and search for Instagram Save Free Bot in the search bar. Open the bot, hit start, and paste the Instagram link you copied. The bot will queue your download, and once it's ready, you'll get a notification in the channel. Whether it's photos or videos, this bot has got you covered. So, don't wait any longer. Try it out and never miss out on your favorite Insta content again. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tips.